Hey guys, just got this shipped in from Amazon. I'm pretty excited about it, so let's just open it up. Now I did get 2 of these guys, and that's how the pack comes in. I can tell you right away from a first glance at these that they look pretty sturdy. So I was expecting, and I was actually a little bit afraid that this would be too thin, but it's not. It feels pretty good. So I can't really bend it if I put my pressure to it, which is awesome. I was looking for something like this, something not coated with stuff, because that's what actually is bad for you. So over time with the coated ones, that always comes out, and those are the chemicals you're not supposed to be eating. So you're not supposed to be eating that stuff. That's why you want something uncoated like this, and that's only aluminum. So we currently are baking quite a bit of bread, and I haven't had these. I've been using other stuff where I make cakes and other stuff that's glassware in order to bake bread. However, this will help so much, and it will fit on any standard oven. Now on the back of it, there's only this stamp right here, but that's it. There's no more info on the back. Now things that I don't like about it right away in this unboxing is that it came with this type of, I guess, glue around it. Yeah, it seems to be coming from the inside. I guess they put that glue in there. I'm guessing some type of glue adhesive to just keep this together. So it is smudged here in the edges a little bit. Yeah, pretty much on the 4 edges I can see that smudge, but just the corners, that's about it. Here I don't see it, so it just comes down to the corners, so that's kind of weird. I would, suggest cleaning it up if you're gonna use this. First, probably gonna heat it up, I won't put anything to bake on it right away. What I'm gonna do is just let it in the oven and just put it up to 350 or so and see if this glue just evaporates or something. So I don't like that. Let's take a look at the other one. Now here's the other one. I don't see any glue. Some scratches, no big deal. No glue here either. Not sure what happened with the other one then. I guess there is some glue residue here. Again, kinda weird, but we're just gonna have to clean that up. That's all I can say about this quick unboxing. There's not much to look at. I guess we can look at the width. We're looking at how wide this is. So right here, I guess the height. It would be around maybe the height of 2 iPhones, one on top of the other. I'm just gonna test these guys out. There will be a review on them to see if they bend or anything like that. I doubt it. They look pretty good, but I will be doing a review later on to let you guys know how it went on with these. Alright, so we just got the bread out. It's nice and hot. So you guys can see, it didn't stick at all, which I'm really happy about. Now this is supposed to be uncoated, which is great. I actually did think I would have to put something to it so it doesn't stick, but none of the bread actually stuck to it. So let me just move it around. You guys can see it's moving around freely. It didn't warp or anything like that. And before we actually put the bread or anything, when it was brand new, we did wash it first, and then I put it in the oven just for half an hour at 350. And that's because at the edges there was some glue residue or something like that. So I wanted to make sure all that stuff just burned out if it was left over from before. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. Seems to be working, nothing wrong with it so far. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.